Best of luck.
You are prepared. You will be prepared. I promise to you. I promise to you to make you perfect. I promise to make you perfect in English, in spoken English. Very first. Very first. बहुत जल्दी. Okay? I promised. Next. Please sit down. Okay, thanks. Come on. What's your name?
My name is Pankaj Kumar.
You are Pankaj Kumar. Where are you from? Gumawasni. What is about your father? What is about your father? Shopkeeper. Your father is a shopkeeper. Okay, thanks.
तुम्हारे पिता क्या है?
What's name? What? No. What's your name? Again. What's your name again? Pankaj. I want to ask you more and some more questions. Please tell me the answering of that. Are you coming regularly in the spoken class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Never miss
No, sir.
the classes, spoken classes. Never miss. I will be suggested to you. Never miss your spoken class for your best communication. Best communication in English to English. So come regularly. Daily out. Don't miss any class.
Yes, sir.
Any day.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Where are you from? Or I will ask you the better answering. I want to the better answering which I told you in our spoken class already. What is the advanced answer, advanced statement which you will tell me? Which is the advanced answer? Where are you from? Which I told you some days ago. Are you miss them? Or not?
बोलना.
You have forgotten. Of that statement.
Second, third, maybe.
Forgotten. भूल गए. You have forgotten the advanced answer of the question of where are you from?
Forgotten होता है. Forget होता है.
Forgotten भी होता है, forget भी होता है. Forget भूल जाना, forgotten भूल गए हो, भूल चुके हो, भूल गए हो भाई, तुम भूल गए हो, याद नहीं आ रहा,
कभी नहीं भूलना.
है ना? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
हाँ, yes. The boy who can tell me that answer which I told you some days ago? Please raise your hand and tell me. Who can tell me the advance statement? Advance which I told you before today. Anybody here? Have anybody here? कोई बता सकता है?
What?
You don't understand.
No.
It means you don't understand what I am saying. What I am saying. What I am asking to you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sarmani,
Yes, sir.
you are you don't understand?
Yes, sir. समझ गए.
Please tell me instead of don't hide. Don't
May I go to
hide himself.
Keep
Don't
silent.
hide himself. छिपा मत. बस बताओ. What is the advance statement? The question of where are you from?
Sir, I am from Apas.
Oh, next. Advance और क्या बताया था आपको बोलने के लिए?
May I go to
How are you? How are things?
Sir, I am pretty well. Yeah, I am doing pretty well.
Yes. I am fine. पहले I am fine. Next.
I am
doing pretty well. Next. A bit nervous. सुनो ध्यान से सारे. A bit nervous.
उदास.
A bit nervous. दो. A bit nervous. बोलिए.
A big nervous though.
I am doing pretty well.
I am doing pretty well. I am doing pretty well.
A bit nervous.
A big nervous.
Though. I want a lie.
I want a life.
I want a lie.
Like.
What? The answer? This answer is which question? The answer is किस प्रश्न का जवाब है? किस क्वेश्चन का है? किस प्रश्न का? How are things का? ध्यान रखना. How are things का ये एडवांस स्टेटमेंट है. एडवांस बोलने के लिए in front of interviewer your job interviewer in front of your job interviewer. What should we tell him about this question? Stand up, speak again, tell me again. How are things? I'm fine. I'm doing pretty well, sir. Pretty well. A bit nervous though. I won't lie. Answer. What's your name? What's your name? You are the son. Where are you from? You are from Bulara. The advance statement which I told you. Which I told you yesterday. Which I told you yesterday. Advance statement. Which you can speak. Which you can speak.
ओल्ड मांगो
क्या क्या था इसका जवाब? क्वेश्चन क्या था? क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा? व्हाट क्वेश्चन? I did ask you. What question? What question I did ask you? क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपसे? इससे बताइए. Please tell me.
how are things
How are things? No.
तो
लास्ट क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था? लास्ट में. Where do you live? Next. वो तो हो गया था ना उसका. How are things? How is everything? उसका हो गया था. उसका उसने बताया. ठीक है, ध्यान रखना. हाँ, next question. I will ask you again. Next question. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live. बोलो. I live. नाम का नाम बोलो. हाँ, I live in Balara. या बोल सकते हो I belong to Balara. I belong to Balara बोलो. I live. Live नहीं लगाना. I live in Balara. सीधा Balara नहीं. I live Balara नहीं. I live in Balara. छोटा गांव का नाम होता है ना, उसमें इन लगाते हैं. बड़ा सिटी शहर में दिल्ली में रहते हो तो क्या लगाओगे? एट दिल्ली. ठीक, इन लगाना उसमें. दिल्ली बॉम्बे रहते हो, बड़ा सिटी है.
I am living at Delhi.
है
Living at Delhi.
एट
सत्य
Live
एट
at
नहीं.
Delhi.
एट नहीं.
ऐड तो मैं चाहती हूँ.
आई एम सो सॉरी. गांव के लिए एट और बड़ी सिटी के लिए इन. बड़ी के लिए
In.
आई एम सो सॉरी. गांव में रहते हैं आप, बलारा में रहते हैं ना. आई लिव इन एट बलारा. इन नहीं लगाना. आई लिव एट बलारा. बोलो अगेन. आई लिव एट बलारा. आप दिल्ली में रहते हो.
I live in Delhi.
Do you live in Delhi? No. Okay, thanks. You didn't live in Delhi. If suppose मान लो आप दिल्ली में रहते हो, then तब आपको क्या बोलना है? What you should speak. What you should speak. आप दिल्ली में रहते हो, बोलिए. आप दिल्ली में रहते हो. I live in दिल्ली. और गांव में रहते हो तो एट गांव का नाम. अंडरस्टूड? दिल्ली में रहते हो, इन दिल्ली. I live in दिल्ली.